Hey, where'd the sunshine go? Hey, where's all the sunshine? Shit. Oh well. Another wet ride home. Well, it's the first one actually. But I need these because my visor will probably fog up like shit by the time I get over to the highway, so we'll see what happens here. Chugga chugga chugga. Always something. Ooh, look at that. ABS kicking in like a boss. And my pants will be soaking in when I get home. Guess I could have brought a pair of lightweight hosens, but oh well. All right. The roads ain't too bad. At least it wasn't downpour like it was before. That shit was like nasty. Why would I want to use a blinker? Well, I think I got it on 740 plus picture mode every 10 seconds, so I get some cool pictures along with get a little rain shower coming up here. Still not bad though. Got a lot of road spray. Gotta see how it's lightening up off the distance. You see a little bit of burger coming down. A little aviation terminology for y'all. Well, weather, but stuff we refer to as the rain. All on our car. So I probably got a little bit of down there, yeah, in front of my. I got knee protectors on. You're here, so you can't really. Doesn't feel wet. Just the outside of the pants. Day in towns, man. Already at the Blake Bottom Road. Coming through during the dry spells is tricky enough sometimes. I got so much crap on the road from radiator fluid. These ghetto boxes people drive around here in this clapped out shit box of a car. Seems to be my favorite tune to hum lately when I'm riding my new motard here. Strangely enough. Lines are down. I think I did not zip this side of the jacket up. I think I left off. Doesn't feel like something's getting through. Oh well. So they make a battery pack housing for this GoPro that has a extended backing, so you put a longer battery in it. And Sena also makes one that gives you about another hour and a half worth of battery time, and it allows you to talk through your lightning. Check that shit out. Oh, I got a picture of it. That's cool. A little bit of ground to cloud, or cloud. That'd be a trick. Cloud to ground with lightning.